Hurry up, car's coming, car's coming. Car's coming. Bro, car's coming, you piece of shit. Oh, what the fuck? Oh! Oh, shit. Wait, what the fuck? Oh my god! Oh my god! Hey, what's up, guys? So we're at Hollywood Boulevard, and right now we're like, fuck it, we're gonna fuck around with the news station. Wait, actually, are you down? Like, nah, for real, like, no bullshit, like, for the vlog. Okay, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. No. Let's go.
Hay un anuncio muy importante y sobre todo especial para nosotros, la comunidad.
Yo, everyone go subscribe to Anthony Palma. You already know the vibes. YouTube.com/Anthony Palma.
Por favor, papás, eduquen a sus hijos. Se los encargamos mucho.
Oh, is that Eli?
The suspension's about to go down, guys.
Yo, what's good?
Bro, look at the space I have. Hey, man. It's not my fault I'm 6'5" with a passion, you know what I'm saying? 6'5", 4,000 pounds.
I didn't know they made hats of you. Come on, give me that face. Yo, what the fuck is this? Yo, guys, so we finally made it to the LA Zoo. Oh, what the fuck? I almost fell. A lion comes out. Yo, what the fuck? What? Look at these. These are like ancient statues. Oh, they're just tables.
Ridiculous.
What is that?
Oh, that's like a polar bear, I think.
They had polar bears here?
Wait, what the fuck? Yo, that's a Coca-Cola bear. Like, that's when they're feeding him Coca-Cola. Did you see a homeless guy like wiping his ass or something?
Y'all gonna get possessed? Probably this one right here.
Who, me?
No, her.
Oh, her?
Me, you, wait, not him.
Oh, because you're a girl. Guys, so I saw this trend on TikTok where these people dress up with glow sticks. So I decided to buy one for the vlog, and I put it on my friend Raul.
I'm gonna call you here.
Yeah, what are you doing? Come outside real quick. Don't look. Go back there. Go back there. Hold on. Just open the door. Just open the door. Just open the fucking door.
Wait, did it fall?
Yeah. What'd you think of that?
So stupid.
Guys, look at this dumbass.
Fuck you.
Fucking, you look like a little bitch with that hat on.
Fuck you.
Yeah, fucking people these days, man. Alright, this one got a grilled cheese sandwich. We're gonna dip it in. Are you jealous or something, bro? Shut
the fuck up.
Guys, Yair has some fireworks. We're gonna light them up because we're
Almost 1,000 subscribers?
yeah, bro. Is that fucking crazy?
Yeah, it's crazy.
You're like, yeah, that's crazy. I don't give a fuck. Ready to go. Oh fuck, this is.
Let's see, move. You gotta move, fool, because I gotta close this shit and run still.
Oh my god! Bro, that shit was bad.
No, I thought he just farted. Yes.
I know. That's what I thought. That's what I thought.
Like 5 seconds later, boom.
Bro, I thought that shit hit Anthony. That shit.
I know. I thought that shit hit me too, bro. Let me see that shit. Open that shit. Oh my god. Dinner's ready.
Watch me take a good thing and fuck it all up in one night. Catch me, I'm the one on the run away from the headlights.
Don't mind me and my honey bun.
Put it back, Eli.
It's a jumbo honey bun.
Eli, no. Eli, put it back.
Palma, you know what?
What? Oh shit.